What will happen in a drag race between the new Mercedes C63S and the Audi RS7 Performance? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. May seem like an odd matchup, but this car actually has more horsepower than that car, even though it has an engine that is half the size and half the cylinders. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Car Wow. So let me tell you about this new Mercedes C63S. I've got it in wagon form, but it doesn't really matter, similar thing. You've got a 2-litre single turbo petrol engine. Puts out 476 horsepower, but you've also got on the rear axle a little electric motor that puts out 204 horsepower combined. You have 680 horsepower and 1020 newton meters of torque. So the car uses a 9-speed automatic gearbox with launch control, though the little electric motor is connected to the wheels via a 2-speed gearbox. Very complex, but never mind that. Obviously got some lithium-ion batteries and 4-wheel drive system, and all that technology means a lot of weight. This thing weighs in at 2.2 tons. Also means a lot of cost. You're talking £100,000 for this particular car. Anyway, let's find out about that Audi from its driver. Have I forgot my radio? Oh, what an idiot. Is he looking for Classic FM? Nick? I forgot my radio.
We'll just have to do it with the windows down the whole time.
Yes. What's the stats on your car?
It's an Audi RS7 Performance, 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 630 horsepower, 850 newton meters of torque. It's a lot. No, but it doesn't weigh as much either.
Really? Sorry?
2,065 kilo.
I bet it costs more though.
Yes, 133 grand.
Wow, it's quite a lot more. Right, now if you want to compare the car stats side by side, just pause the video now. Anyhow, let's start off with the classic Car Wow sound check. So I'm going to rev up this Mercedes. Makes more noise inside the car than outside because it produces synthetic sounds. Yeah, but the 4-cylinder, it don't sound good, and there ain't no noise from that electric motor when you're stationary. Rev yours up. Try just blipping it. Yeah, well, there we go. Neither sound great, but that does sound better. Now, if you like these kind of videos and you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Let's get on with this race. I'm going to put this up and get someone to bring me a radio. Maybe I'll just go get it myself rather than being a lazy old arse.
Hello.
Can I just have a look at your radio a second?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, I cannot believe I fell for that.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's so close.
Oh, that was a brilliant launch. Oh, this is so even.
Oh.
Come on, Audi. Yeah, we've got him.
If you wish to use the online speech recognition service.
Okay, so I reckon this can go a little bit quicker, but not by loads. That was a clear win for you.
It was really even for the first 8th mile though, wasn't it? I was not pulling away until we were doing serious speeds, but put in a good show, that car, considering how heavy it is.
And it's the bit where the electric motor's gearbox changes gear. It just sort of just doesn't accelerate for a few split seconds, and then you just go whoop, and then it stays like that. Let's go again though. Let's go one more time. I reckon if I get a slightly better launch, I might run you a bit closer.
3, 2, 1.
Not going to get a better launch than that. It's so close.
Gosh, it's so close for the first few hundred meters.
And there's a slight pause when the rear gearbox changes. Not so bad this time, and it's closer.
Yeah, this is when it's really got legs.
Come on. Do you know what? That was better by me, and the car did a slightly better run, and it's so close, like you say, for like an eighth of a mile, but at the top end, you know, the higher speeds, you're just more capacity, more cylinders, more turbos.
More aero as well. I think that being a wagon looks awesome, but it's not going to help it slip through the air, is it?
Nope. Oh well.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Audi won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.3 seconds. The Mercedes took 11.5 seconds.
Want to sell your car quickly, easily, and for a fair price? Then head to CarWow to have over 4,000 trusted dealers ready to bid on it in an online auction. First, enter your car's registration to get an instant approximate valuation. Then, if you want to proceed, give us some more details and upload some photos, and we'll help you set a fair reserve price for your car. That's the minimum amount you'd be happy to sell it for. Once you've done that, we'll enter your car into an online auction. When the auction's over, we'll let you know the result, and the dealer with the winning bid will be in touch to arrange easy payment and free collection of your car. 93% of sellers surveyed said they got the price they expected or more through CarWow. The best bit is, it's completely free! I put a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment to take you directly to CarWow, where over 4,000 dealers are ready to bid on your car. Or you can just click on the pop-out banner that should be appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen now. Alternatively, just Google "Help Me CarWow" and we will help you sell your car quickly, easily, and for a fair price. On with the video. Right, now we have a rolling race with the cars in their comfort mode, so the most chilled setting, auto mode for the gearbox, race over the half mile from 50 miles an hour. Cruise at 50, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. This picks up first.
Oh, Matt got the jump on me there.
Then the gearbox kicks down a bit slowly.
Ah, now he's gone. It's just blooming fast.
All right, Nick, that was very interesting. So my car shot off right from the get-go, all on the electric power, and then I felt the gearbox for the internal combustion engine kick in, at which point I think yours had done the same and pulled past me, but you didn't keep on increasing your lead, did you? It was like you got ahead and then you just stayed that distance ahead of me.
Yeah, I fully expected to be gapping you at that point, and you were hanging on in there. You were not dropping behind. Yeah, that car, it's got a lot to think about, but when it puts it all together, it's blooming fast, isn't it?
I wonder if it's that thing where it is the gearbox just changing gear, just slows it down. It's that moment in time where the other car then just pulls ahead. I don't know. Let's do a rolling race, sportier setting, second gear roll on. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's got a good jump on me there.
Ah, come on! Ah, come on!
I've got the power to pull past.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
This is so close now.
Oh!
Whoa!
That's madness, really. It's so close.
It's so close, and I love that we're swapping position throughout. That is that's a mega rolling race. Really, really interesting.
Right hand, Nick. Third gear roll on from 50. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's got ahead of me.
Come on, stay ahead.
Oh, this is an even closer race this time.
Stay ahead, stay ahead, stay ahead.
This is brilliant.
Yes! Wow!
That was definitely the sweet spot for that car, wasn't it? That was, I think, the best jump you've had on me, and nothing I could do to keep up.
I reckon if they'd gone for a single speed electric motor instead of that dual speed where it has to change in the drag race, this would have beat or at least been dead level with that in the drag.
So what you're saying is if that car was less complicated, it would be better.
I don't know, it maybe needs that complexity to do what it needs to do. Considering it's a 4-cylinder, it's bloody nuts what it does.
Oh yeah, absolutely. The engine's half the size. Mega what it does.
Right, final challenge. Now we can have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. The car that stops in the shortest distance wins. If you'd rather watch another drag race with this particular car, click on the pop-out banner or follow the QR code which should be appearing on the screen now. If not, stay here for the brake test because here comes the line. Sorry, excuse me, I need to burp. Get it out before I do this.
Oh, this is very close too. Oh. It was so close between us for 90% of that braking, and it was just at the end where you sort of slid ahead. That was close as well. Everything's been close with these cars.
Really close, really close. It's quite impressive, this thing, to tell you the truth, even though I'd rather it was just a V8. Oh well. Anyway, hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Click on the video windows for some more videos, of course. And if you click on the logo, you can go to the CarWow Drag Race leaderboard and compare these cars' times to everything else we've ever drag raced. Thanks for watching.